This morning we're going to talk to you about Calatheas, and I've brought Rhonda along today to have a chat because she's worked in the houseplant industry for a good 20 years, so I didn't think there was anyone better with more experience to talk to us about this fabulous indoor plant. Calatheas are some of the most beautiful houseplants, and they're mainly grown for their stunning foliage. The top sides of their leaves are intricately patterned as if an artist has been on hand. This amazing foliage has earned them many a nickname: zebra or rattlesnake plant, or even cathedral window plant. Calathea needs specific care to thrive, and they do like a consistently warm spot. Do you find them difficult to look after, Rhonda?
I would say they're medium in difficulty. They're not the easiest, but with a little bit of planning you can make them grow lush and beautiful, like this one here, just gorgeous.
Do they like a specific house area, like the living room or a bathroom or an office?
Most Calatheas grow on the floor of the jungle, so they're used to low light, dappled light and high humidity. So anywhere where there's good light or even low light they can thrive, just not direct sunlight. I wouldn't like that.
I've been told that you should not really use water straight out of the tap, is that right?
That is right. They're very sensitive to chemicals, so if you've got chlorinated water, you're best to have rainwater or filtered water, or just sit a bucket of water outside or inside for 24 hours and let all those